Hi guys. Let me start off by saying that you attract what you are. So if you're walking around lonely, desperate, mad at the world, bitter, mean, etc., men can sense this. The wrong ones prey on you and the right ones run away because they know their worth and they don't want to deal with all of that. They refuse to deal with that because they're not obligated to. If you're not meeting good men, it's because you're not at a point in your life where you're ready to accept one. This could mean that you still have past trauma and baggage that you haven't healed through. This could mean that you haven't healed through the last man that broke your heart. This could mean that you haven't healed through your daddy issues. This could mean that you haven't healed through your mama issues. And sometimes it simply means that you're still too immature to accept one into your life. See, a lot of you all go through life fooling yourself, thinking that you could just speak whatever you want into existence. You can manifest whatever it is that you want. And to a certain extent that is true. But the other thing is, and the truth is that every single thing is on divine time. So if it's not your time to receive it, you won't. This narrative that men ain't shit, there's no good men left, etc., it starts to get old. Like, we as women have to be women enough to admit that sometimes it's not the man, it's you. You're the problem. Real maturity is self-accountability, and it's better to admit that and accept that than to keep running through and ruining good men. And ladies, if you're getting defensive right now, it only adds to the credibility of what I'm saying. See, we as women tend to think that any man should be honored to even get our attention, but sometimes, ladies, we don't live up to the worth that we claim to have. We always talk about how we want a good man, but then what? Like, can you honestly say that you're ready for a good man? Like, can you honestly say that you are 100% ready to fully support him, to uplift him, to be his strength when he's weak, to be his motivator when he feels like giving up, to speak life into him when he feels defeated, hand over the reins and let him lead you while you follow. Submit to him, be vulnerable for him, be able to accept his vulnerability, because that's a big one. See, all of this comes with it. You can't just like pick and choose the parts that you want. A good man is an invaluable asset. And that's why I always say 95 to 99% of women who scream and yell that they want a good man, they don't know what to do with one when they actually get one. I've seen women get amazing, high quality, great men and then break him into pieces because she was never taught and never learned how to be a good woman. A good man isn't a toy that you just have the luxury of playing with. Like, he has feelings and emotions just like you do. He wants a good woman too. He values his time too. He hates playing games too. He hates his time being wasted just like you do. So all I'm saying is, the next time you fix your lips to say that there's no good men left, understand that the only reason that that's your truth is because you're making it your reality. Heal and work on yourself, and not only will you attract a good man, but you'll also be spiritually and emotionally strong enough to be able to cultivate and maintain that relationship. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.